This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna lunge out. I'm gonna make that third step so pronounced and so defined. There is no way it is going to be short this time. Slower, but more powerful power step. Oh, we found something. So for a very long time, I've always thought moving your feet faster would generate ball speed, but I'd say the ball speed and power come from the third step going into the fourth step. Going from the third step into the power step, that is where the special transaction begins to take place. And then as you go from the power step into the slide step, that's where everything happens. Still trying to figure it out. Slower, but power. Yo, how did I do that? All right, let's see. Slow, what are we doing? Slower footwork, but more powerful power step. Oh, that's good. Oh, we found something. I might have cracked the code, guys. I might have cracked the code. So I'm going really slow. I'm ensuring that my first 3 steps are really good. So I'll do my 1, I'll do my 2, I'll do my 3. Gotta remember to do a longer third step. That's something I gotta practice. But then as I go from third step into fourth step, I've gotta power into that fourth step. I've gotta get all of that weight into my fourth step, then transfer it into my slide. So that was kind of cool. Let's see, slower footwork, slower first 3 steps, and then super duper powerful power step. Let's try that again. And upper forearm. Gotta use that upper forearm. Oh, thumb got stuck. That is no good. Thumb's kind of humid here. I'm gonna find myself some powder. All right, here we go. 27 with my feet. Forearm. That's decent. It's all right. It's okay. All right, let's do it. Fingers closer here. Slow and powerful power step. So let's see, that third step on my last shot was kind of short. I thought I took a long third step. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna lunge out. I'm gonna make that third step so pronounced and so defined. There is no way it is going to be short this time. All right, once again, reminder to myself. 1, 2, lunge. Hopefully I don't do that, but you get what I'm trying to say. That's what it looked like. I think that was a lunge. That literally felt like I did that. Hopefully it did not look like that as I watched back the video. All right. Third step, lunge, and then super duper powerful power step. All right, all right. Hey, I like it. Kind of like it. All right, it's time to do this. Third step, which is a lunge. And then super power step. I'm gonna try to almost delay my power step. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but we'll try. We'll try. don't know. It kind of gives me time to also get my bend going. All right, forearm, like super duper forearm. All right, let's do it. Oh, off balance, but it's a strike. Forearm, super duper power step. Slow your footwork. Oh, bro, oh. First 3 steps, make it look beautiful, and then get into that powerful power step where you are sitting into it. Lunge, 3rd step. Oh, that's it. I figured it out. I cracked the code. I figured it out. I might have figured it out. We're getting there for sure. But like I was saying earlier, when we go from the 3rd step into the 4th step, this is where a special transaction takes place. When we go from the 3rd step into the 4th step, I'm gonna get all my weight into that 4th step. I'm gonna get all my weight into that power step. So by the time that my downswing is happening, I can start gathering into my release and then get into my slide. I think for a very long time, I've neglected that power step. It kind of just basically went through the motions, which is why I was lacking power and speed. So this is kind of exciting. All right, here, 24 with my feet. First 3 steps, make them look clean. 3rd step, I'm gonna lunge out really far and then power into that power step. Oh, they're falling. All right, let's see. Stay composed. I do 5 steps. I have a 5-step approach. My first 3 steps, make sure they are on point. Longer 3rd step, and then I get into my slide. Something that I do, something that I have a tendency to do, is that I'm already thinking about releasing the bowling ball from my setup, which is not good. You gotta take care of these first 3 steps, make it look good, make it clean, and then get into your power step. Hey, that was a good shot. That was pretty good. I liked it. I was focused on my first 3 steps, made sure that I did everything correctly, made sure that I took a longer 3rd step, and then after I completed my 3rd step, I made sure to get all of my weight into my 4th step. And by the time that I got into my slide, I felt like I was able to get behind the bowling ball and do whatever I wanted to do. I've been doing this modified 1-step drill where I'm here on my power step and I'm going to have all of my weight here on the power step, and then I'm going to get into my push away, and then I'm going to get into my slide. That is going to teach me that, hey, I have all this weight in my power step. Now I need to distribute it into my slide and get all of that energy to come to a stop at the foul line and then release the bowling ball. So pretty much I'm here, I'm on my right foot, and then I'm going to get all that weight there, and then I'm pretty much going to just swing it a few times until I feel comfortable, and then I'll get into the slide here. It takes time. It's a little weird because it's different timing. A lot of bowlers have the earlier timing where they don't know what to do with all of that time. They don't know what to do when they get their foot to the foul line too early. So that's just something to practice.